This is Coco, a small white rabbit. He lives happily in a bright and beautiful forest. Coco loves to hop, play, and explore. One sunny morning, Coco went near the river. The water was shining, the birds were singing, everything felt peaceful. But suddenly, a big fox came from behind a bush. Coco was shocked. The fox wanted to catch him. The fox walked closer and closer. Coco felt scared, but he also remembered to stay calm. Coco got a clever idea. He pointed far away and said, "Look, a bear is coming behind you." The fox got scared. He quickly turned around to look, but there was no one there. And that was Coco's chance. He ran, and ran. Hop, 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 as fast as he could. Coco reached his safe home under the big tree. His heart was still beating fast, but he was safe now. Coco told everything to his mother. She hugged him gently and said, "You were brave, my child, and very, very smart." And from that day, Coco always remembered